Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. So today we're gonna show you how you can download pfSense without using your credit card. If some of you doesn't know what is pfSense is a free open source firewall or rather operation system based on free BSD. It's commonly used for security managed network or home lab. So it's like you can practice in your home lab. So that's what we're gonna show you how you can configure and so let's go start. We're gonna download pfSense and then search. Sorry. $10. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the first link. So here is so interesting. So if you click down here, it's gonna require that you add your credit card. So if you don't want to add your credit card, we're gonna show you the step how you can do it. So when I can click here, so here require and put it here. When I create an account, so you're gonna add your personal information here. Yeah, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna stop there. So now that we create our account, what we're gonna do is uh, just let's go to uh, PSN dial information, which one it is. So could we go on? You see, we go back to the home page, which is the down information. So we have to go to the download one. Okay, that's the download one. Let's see. Yeah, okay, now yes, we are in the download one. So now we already create an account. We in the account. So we haven't added a credit card yet. So click in download. So here and now. So now we're gonna click here in installation machine. We're gonna select for virtual machine here, the third one. And I click in add a card. Go card here and click in checkout. I guess you guys here you see it doesn't require payment or anything. So but here at the bottom you're gonna have to fill it out, your home address, city, and site code. Um, Let me add it. So guys, after you add your personal information, so just you have to click download and that's it. Just click download. Like you can see, it's downloading now. This is the process. So after you figured out how to do it, and let me just go to the download folder. And so in here we have an open. Yeah, we have it for them there. So we have to extract it from there. The next video, that makes the next video, we're gonna show you how to install it and configure. See you to the next video. Stay tuned.